this is Ikeda Moko. Today's Moko channel is cooking, yes. This time, I want to make pudding that you can make with just 3 ingredients, and you can even make it in the microwave. Yes, it's really easy, so please give it a try. Here are the ingredients. Now please watch how to make it. Moko channel start! First, crack the eggs and mix them well as if you're cutting through them. Yes, please mix until it gets foamy like this. Now add the milk little by little while mixing. Then add the sugar and mix well. Once you're done mixing, it's a bit lumpy, so please strain it as you pour it into the container. Now, heat it in the microwave at 300 watts with steam for 5 minutes. If you don't have that setting, cover it loosely with plastic wrap and heat it at 500 watts for about 2 to 2.5 minutes. I just heated it in the microwave like this. It will puff up in the middle, so keep an eye on it. Open the microwave once to let it cool a little, then heat it again. In total, heat it at 500 watts for about 2.5 minutes. I tried it at 300 watts at first, but it didn't work at all, so please try it at 500 watts. After that, let it cool down to room temperature, then chill it in the refrigerator for about 2 hours. How was it? That's it for this time. Tada! I made a simple pudding with just 3 ingredients. It's super easy because you just heat it in the microwave. Now I'm gonna actually try eating it. The inside looks like this, bright yellow, and it seems like it has a strong egg flavor. Now that it's nicely chilled, I'll go ahead and try it. Okay, just like this, I'll give it a try. Yeah. The sweetness gently spreads in my mouth and it has a mild, gentle flavor. If you don't have an egg allergy, I think even children or babies could eat this. It's sweet but not too sweet, just the right amount. If you really like the taste of eggs, I definitely recommend you try it. It's very gentle and deliciously sweet, so I hope you'll all give it a try. If you make it, please upload your photos with the hashtag #Maku channel. At the end, I'll be sharing those photos on Ikeda Mako's Maku channel. I also upload things like makeup. If there's anything you're interested in, please give me a like and subscribe to my channel. So this time I'm going to show you something you can make with just 3 ingredients by Ikeda Mako. It was an easy pudding. Bye bye!